Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure Spotify is updated and your device audio is active. Open Spotify and sign in, then plug in headphones or connect Bluetooth. Once done, tap Home, then Library to access settings faster. Next, go to Settings, gear icon, and scroll to Playback. This gets you into Spotify's audio area. You do this because the Equalizer link only appears when Spotify can control audio output, so make sure external audio is connected and volume is up. You'll now open the Equalizer in Spotify's Playback section. Tap Equalizer or Audio Effects. If the app redirects to a system audio panel, follow it. Android OEM sometimes host the EQ outside Spotify. Once visible, select a preset like Bass Boost or Tap Custom to move sliders. Increase low frequencies for more thump, lower mids to reduce muddiness, and raise highs for clarity. Make small changes, then play a familiar song to evaluate. When satisfied, save your custom preset so you don't repeat adjustments. Finish by testing across several songs and varying volumes to ensure the EQ improves sound without distortion. Make sure Spotify's crossfade or normalization settings aren't masking changes. Disable them briefly to check. If you don't see an equalizer, open your phone's sound settings to enable audio effects or reinstall Spotify. Some Android skins hide the control. As an alternative, install a reputable third-party equalizer app and grant audio permission. If issues
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.